showing. Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a paper beretta. It shoots paper bullets, and the materials you will need is some tape, scotch tape, clear tape, any kind of tape, clear tape. I would recommend that. And then scissors. First, I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial of how it shoots. Okay. Okay, you saw how it's shot. Okay, let's get started. First, you're gonna need to get 2 pieces of paper, roll them into tubes. It's not that hard. I'm sure y'all know how to make them too. But one tube needs to be bigger than the other. So the first tube needs to be big, and the second one needs to be small. I would recommend making the first tube you make bigger than mine, because it would be, like, you would be able to make the bullet bigger, and it would it makes it longer and it's more accurate. So I would recommend doing that. And then when you make the second one, just make it smaller than the first one. Don't make it like super skinny like that. Just make it smaller, at least smaller than the first two you made. And then you're just gonna separate the 2 pieces. You're gonna get a piece of paper folded in a hamburger, and then you're just gonna, it's like you're rolling it into a tube pretty much, but then you flatten it out. And then you're gonna tape all that together, and then you're just gonna get another piece of paper, wrap it around the thing you just made, and then you're pretty much done with the first part. But also you need to make it where this little part right here is sticking out of the paper that you wrapped it around in, and like that, like shown. And then the bottom tube, look at in where you can't see it. And then you're pretty much done with the first part. And now to make the handle, you're just going to do the same thing. You can take 2 or 3 tubes, whatever works best for you. You're going to do the same thing. You're just going to roll it up, tape it, and then cut it. But then you're going to wrap it around in a piece of paper, and then when you cut it and you have the same length as the 3 tubes, you're going to cut it diagonal, not straight like that, like diagonal like that on both sides, bottom 2. And then you're just going to get another piece of paper, wrap it around like this. It's another piece of paper wrapped around it. And then you're pretty much done with the handle almost. And then to tape it to this part, you're gonna make it more easier to tape. You just right there, you cut it like half a circle, like that, and then it's half a circle, and it makes it tape easier. Then you're gonna do the same with the back. Cut it like that and tape it. Tape it on the sides, both sides, right there, right here. And then you're done with the handle and this part, right here. So then to make this part, all you're gonna do is get a piece of paper, fold it like you did to separate these 2 tubes. Then you do the same thing, cut it right there like that, half circle, right here too. And then you just tape it down however way to make it stick, and then you're done with that part. Now you make the aiming. You're just gonna get a piece of paper, fold it, not a whole piece of paper, because if you fold it, you're gonna fold it into a little square, but don't use a whole piece of paper because you don't want it really thick. Just get a piece of paper, cut it, make it about that thin, right there, and then you're just gonna tape it on the tubes, and then if it keeps moving, you can just put more tape on it. If you keep messing with it, it could just fall like this could just fall off. And then you're pretty much done with the gun. And thanks for watching and subscribe. See ya. I'll give it one more shot.